What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your browsing history on your Microsoft account. Simply head over to Microsoft.com and sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, click your account on the upper right and click the My Account there, and it's going to redirect you to your Microsoft account where you can see all information here regarding your account. Now on the left side, click in Privacy. Then from here, scroll down and you want to click on browsing and search. And you can see that I have over 130 activities, across different section here, browse and search. Now, before you can download your browsing history, you want to create an archive. And once you click on this, it may trigger and ask you for your password. Or if you're using a PIN, it will send you a PIN to your email and you need to enter that PIN. But from here, you can choose how you want to create, but from here you can choose what you want to download, and so you just need to select the options or keep all of them and click on create an archive. Once you click create archive, it's going to create the archive right here, and as you can see, I have one available right here. And so you will be able to create the archive, and I'm going to do it anyways and show you. I'm going to just randomly select, for example, one of them and click on create an archive, and you will see that it's going to create an archive and say it's in progress. And so you will see the different icons to say what you're trying to create. But once it is ready, you will have the option to download the archive. And so you click download and it's going to download to your PC. And as you can see, it's in a zip file right there. So that's pretty much it, guys. This normally take a few minutes, depending on how large your archive is. It can take even up to a day or a couple hours. So just keep that in mind. But that's it. That's how you download your browsing history in your Microsoft account.